welcome back to my channel. So if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping by, for coming back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Anna. I am very happy that you're here. I'm so glad to have you guys on my channel, and I would love to have you back for future videos. So today I'm going to start with, today I'm coming up with how do you call this? I don't know if I'm going, how do you say that, but I'm going to try this IPL machine that I got, that I recently purchased. So just gonna, just see how it works and show you guys how you do this. So this brand is Les Colton. So yes, I'm going to try this now to see, but I'm just going to show you how I would do it, now in my face, on my facial hair here, and maybe on my underarms. So let's open the box now, and so this is the machine that looks like a hair dryer because it's too big, and this is the eye protector that you need to use when you do the treatment, so to protect your eyes. And let me just see, it looks kind of weird because it's quite small here. It's like it's very small on the eyes. I don't know if I'm going to use this because it's like it's too small. Maybe I will just use my glasses, my sunnies. So first it says we need to put the power. This has to be, connected when you do the treatment. So I have to turn it on first. So yeah, this is where it should be. And then, I don't know, I'm quite scared. You're looking. Let me just see. Okay, so I saw a green light there, but let's turn this on again. Oh, there, if you guys can see that. And it's really like a hair dryer because it's like there's a sound of an air, a wind. So there's light there, and there's also light here. And this one has like 5 levels. If you guys can see that, there are 5 levels there. So let's see again. So now it's 2, 3, 4. I don't want to make it the maximum level. I don't want to go there because I'm quite scared to do that. So let's just put it to number 4 level. So what do we have to do? So I have to remove my makeup in this part here because this really has to be totally clean. So yeah, I'll get back. So I'll just remove my makeup here in this part, and so I can start with the laser. I don't want to use this like goggles that came with because like it's quite uncomfortable. It's too small, I think, for my eyes. So I've decided to just wear my sunnies for this. So let's see. Okay, so here, just going to try it. I don't know how to do this, but I'm quite scared actually. Okay, so I have facial hair here in this part. Oh my gosh, how would I do this? Like facing the phone, looking at myself there on the phone, and then doing this. pretty weird. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. It's not moving. Oh, it's there. It's blinking there. When it's blinking, that's the time when you're going to press. Sorry. I'm so sorry. It's getting into my eyes. Oh, what happened? Oh my gosh. Okay. What am I?
Do you know what happened?
It just stopped.
Did it power off?
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put it back again. Let me see if it's going to blink there. Oh my god. Oh, it's blinking. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, where is it? Oh, it did. Oh, stop. It stopped. Okay, and another one. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh my god. Another one. I need to do this like three times, I think. Doing this. Okay. Again, it's blinking. Is it blinking? No, it's not. It has to blink. Okay, it's blinking. Another 1, 2, 3. Ah! Okay, now this part, this is the one that scares me because it's so near my eyes. Okay, and it's very near the lips as well. It's blinking there. Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh. No, another one here. Is it blinking? Yes, it is. I'm just going to close my eyes. Oh my gosh. Okay, now this part here. Oh gosh. So I need to do this 3 times. So I'm going to go back here again, this part here. Oh gosh. And then this one here. Under. Oh my. It scares me here in this part here. I have to go back here again. It's blinking there. Yes, it is. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. And I can smell something. Like it's burning. Okay, another one. And then another one here. Okay, so that's the second. So there's still one last to go with that. I have to do this again. Okay, and then here underneath. So that's the last time in this part. Now this, I have 3 more, or I have 1 more to go here, and this. Oh, what did I do? I pressed it. Here. Is it blinking? No, it's not. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that was. It's like it pinches you. Move that here. Okay, so that's it. That's the last time, but I think here in this part I haven't really, because I press it while it's not really touching my skin, so I have to put it back here again. Oh gosh, oh. Okay, so now I'm going to try with my here in my underarms, but I'm not really, totally going to show it you guys. Okay, so just this part here. Wait, just this part. Is it blinking? Yes, it is. So 1, 2, 3. Oh. Over here. One, 2, 3. I shaved my underarms. I was not looking. I shaved my underarms and everything here first before doing this because okay, you cannot do this while you still have hair there. This is not really going to go underneath. So you really have to remove the hair first. But you cannot pluck it. You just have to shave it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I have to go back here now. So I have to do this 3 times. Oh gosh, that hurts. It's like it's stinging me. And another one. I don't understand why sometimes it like it stings you. So that's the second time now that I'm doing it last time. Ouch! Oh my gosh. It hurts. Okay. 1. Okay. So doing that part. So now on the other side. Ouch, that hurts. Okay, so I'm not going to show this everything on this video because I already showed a lot already, showing how I did it in my face. This is the very first time actually doing this. Okay, so doing it on my face and now on my underarms. So yeah, just show you how you do it. Sometimes it stings or what, I don't understand why. Sometimes it doesn't really hurt, but sometimes there are parts that stings. So just going to turn this off first. So yes, I'm going to let you guys know after a few months if this is really effective or if this is worth it, or you really have to, or you know, if it really have to go to a salon to, or to a spa to, for the laser treatment if this doesn't work. So yes, if this video has been helpful, I hope that you guys give it a thumbs up, and I also do hope that you subscribe to my channel and, you know, show me some love and show me some support and be a part of my YouTube journey. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's all spread love, not hate. Bye.